If you navigate to Magic Student and take a look at their tools playground, there is an option for students to create a skit. So if you type that in, you'll find the Create a Skit tool. And you can put in the prompts here, so grade level, the estimated length of a skit, who the characters are in the skit and describe them, what is the setting of the skit, and what is the plot. Teachers could use this tool to model an example for the students, especially if they're trying to guide their students through multimedia storytelling, generating scripts. Students can also use this tool to create assessments in different project based learning lessons. So to take a look, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the exemplar one just to show you what this tool can do. So if I click on my exemplar button, it's going to give me an example of how I can put in the best information for this tool in order to get the best output. So they are going to ask for two main characters, Michael Jordan and LeBron James. They describe those characters, the settings of basketball court, and then they give a simple plot here. So if you take a look at the bottom, this is just an example of how great the skit might be, even with a very simple prompting. This could be really useful for your students, whether you just want to model it for them or if you'd like to do it on their own in Magic Student.